Tapos you eat na.
Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Can I taste?
Okay.
How will I taste?
This way.
I'll taste this.
I will have it. I can.
Ano?
And a sauce.
Sauce?
You sit on the chair.
Ano?
Because.
No, you sit on the chair.
Okay.
Let's sit on the floor. Yan.
This is bad. It looks like a swimming pool.
Which one?
The floor.
The Floy? Can I taste this?
Okay. It has a spoon and fork.
Okay. You taste muna.
Mmm.
Is it good? Can I taste? Mmm! Hey. What's that? Can I have the hot dog sandwich?
Okay. And so this is.
Okay. You'll throw it na. Oh, you throw it here. Sa basket.
No.
Sa sink. Okay.
It's with bread. It's this sandwich.
Okay. No, the hot dog sandwich. May hot dog sandwich ka there eh. There oh. Hindi ba hot dog sandwich yun? No, not that one. Yung sa cabinet.
Oh, it's a bug.
There's a bug?
Eat.
Oh no! Get it. I mean, get your toys pala.
The bug.
May bug, no? Wala na, tago na siya.
There's nothing.
Tabi. Ano yun? Tanggalin ko tong chair mo.
Bug naman. Daddy! 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 It's gonna bite me! It's a bug! It's so cute!
What?
It's a bug! Uy,
May nakakit yung bag.
Okay na.
Yung bag nyo. Dead na?
Okay na. Diyos ko. It's okay. It's okay. No more bug.
Sige, take a bath first, ha?
May bumpa or banana?
Wala na.